أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In this session, we are going to look into the simple format of data analysis and results when using Smart PLS or other SEM based tools. Now, a number of times I've been asked by the scholars that what is the normal structure of a data analysis and results, or we have the data, now we want to analyze it, what should be the steps. Now, although they are explained in earlier videos as well, I thought I'll do a new video on this as well. Now let's say you've got the data and you want to start writing your data analysis and results chapter. So what should we do? Where we should start our data analysis? Now again, the first thing, when you are writing your chapter, you should write the introduction, whereby you introduce your data analysis and results chapter by writing in what techniques you plan to use and what are the possible hypotheses that you plan to assess and what techniques will be reported in this particular chapter. Second thing, you will write about the data screening and cleaning. So data screening and cleaning, I will share the whole video on data screening and cleaning. So these steps, I will share the video on each of these steps in the description. Then the demographic profile of respondents, their age, their gender, their education, their job rank, if they are working, if they are not working, what are they doing, all those details come under demographic profile of respondents. And then when you start with structural question modeling using PLS-SEM, again, always the first step is measurement model assessment. That includes the assessment of quality criteria and constructs, where first you explain the factor loadings or outer loadings. Then you explain or write about the construct reliability, that includes the Cronbach alpha and composite reliability. Then the construct validity, that includes convergent validity, discriminant validity, convergent validity through average variance extracted, and discriminant validity through HTMT and formal and locker criterion. You can report cross loadings as well. And then if you have got higher order constructs, then you have to write about their validity as well. Finally, once you have written all this, that is your measurement model assessment done, you write your structural model, whereby first you write about your direct hypothesis, whether they were supported or not, followed by moderation, mediation, explanatory power, predictive relevance, and then the final summary of your whole chapter. Now, if you've covered all these things, more or less you've covered everything that is there to be reported with respect to data analysis and results. I hope this short session would have cleared any doubts with regards to the structure and format of data analysis and results. Thank you very much.